Remember the pixelated pleasure of Pong? The binary battles of Space Invaders? Those were the days. Let's take a journey back in time to the 70s, where the dawn of video games began. Our first stop is the birth of Pong, a simple game of digital table tennis that sparked a revolution. This game, though simple, held an allure that drew people in, marking the start of an era. Next, we have Space Invaders, the game that made us all feel like heroes, battling alien forces in a binary world. The thrill and excitement it brought to players was unprecedented, creating a wave of enthusiasm across society. Then came Pac-Man, the iconic yellow circle who ate pellets while being chased by ghosts. This game brought a new level of complexity and strategy to the gaming world, captivating audiences globally. These games, in their simplicity and originality, had a profound impact on society, shaping the future of entertainment. From the humble beginnings of Pong, we've come a long way. The 80s and 90s, the golden age of video games, where the magic of Mario and the charm of Contra reigned supreme. This era was marked by the rise of iconic franchises that would become the pillars of the gaming industry. Super Mario Bros., with its innovative platforming mechanics, took the world by storm, introducing us to memorable characters and intricate worlds. The Legend of Zelda, another gem from this era, brought us an epic adventure with a captivating story and challenging puzzles. Sonic the Hedgehog, with its blistering speed and vibrant stages, offered a unique twist to platform gaming. These franchises didn't just entertain, they introduced new gameplay mechanics, setting standards in game design and storytelling. They fostered a culture of their own, creating a community of gamers who would gather around their consoles, sharing tips, tricks, and high scores. These games not only revolutionized the industry, but also set a standard for future generations. Then came the 3D revolution, a leap into a new dimension that changed the gaming landscape forever. As we stepped into the world of 3 dimensions, the flat 2D sprites were replaced by polygonal models, breathing life into characters like never before. Games like Super Mario 64 and Tomb Raider took the leap, showcasing a new level of gameplay depth and immersion. With the advent of 3D gaming, game design witnessed a transformation. Levels were no longer left to right or top to bottom, but a sprawling landscape to explore in any direction. This evolution brought forth a new era of storytelling. The narrative was no longer just told through text boxes or voiceovers, but through the environment itself, the characters' actions and reactions. The shift to 3D gaming was indeed a game changer. It wasn't just about playing a game anymore, it was about living in it. 3D gaming opened up a whole new world of possibilities, and the gaming industry was quick to explore it. Fast forward to the present, the world of gaming is more diverse and exciting than ever before. We've seen a seismic shift in the landscape, with trends that have not only altered the way we play, but how we interact with games altogether. The rise of esports, for instance, has turned gaming into a spectator sport, with millions tuning in to watch the world's best players compete. Streaming too has exploded in popularity, allowing gamers to share their experiences with a global audience in real time. And let's not forget about virtual reality. VR has brought us closer to the action than ever before, offering immersive experiences that blur the line between the virtual and the real world. As for the games themselves, titles like Fortnite, Minecraft, and The Witcher 3 have taken the world by storm, each offering unique experiences and captivating millions of players around the globe. From Pong to Fortnite, the journey of video games is a testament to human creativity and innovation. To summarize, video games have come a long way, from the pixelated screens of the 70s to the immersive 3D worlds of today. We've seen the birth of this medium in the form of simple yet captivating games like Pong. We've witnessed the golden age where arcade classics like Pac-Man and Donkey Kong ruled the roost. Then came the seismic shift to 3D gaming, blowing our minds with its groundbreaking visuals and gameplay. And now, we find ourselves in the modern era, where games are more than just entertainment. They're immersive experiences, interactive stories, and even platforms for social connection. Throughout this journey, video games have profoundly impacted our culture. They've inspired creativity, fostered communities, and even sparked debates on societal issues. From pixelated sprites to lifelike characters, from basic two-dimensional platforms to expansive, sprawling worlds, the evolution of video games has been nothing short of spectacular. Whether it's the nostalgia of the old classics or the thrill of the new, Video games continue to captivate us, and their journey is far from over.